since you're so concerned about my future and I know you love me so much, so if given a chance, if you were to plan my future, how would you plan my future? Details.
Review first, then take your board
Pagsala ka
exam.
muna.
Paulit-ulit.
Contestant number?
30.
From vulcanizing.
30,000.
Pagsala ka.
Oh, answer.
Huwag na, Bird.
What's your motto?
Motto.
Ano na?
Pass your board exam.
Oh my God.
Then work. Go to America.
America?
Yeah.
You don't want me to go to Norway?
Think about it.
Let me think, no?
Then,
Then,
Paano naman, ano naman plano mo kay Ella?
sa kanya lang.
Go to Toto.
Paano si Ele?
Go to Toto.
Dotok.
paglaki nga yun, ma-review mo yun. Ano ba yun?
Education gusto nun. Ayaw niya yung nursing.
Ay, uliran. Hindi mo naman mga bayani ngayon pumunta sa bundok sa magturo. Huh?
Sa Mindanao, marami.
Ay, mo nun. Henry Lopez Gawad na bayani. Ito nga teacher umakit sa bundok ko. Awardee yun. Si Ella magiging teacher. Awardee yun.
Gusto mo si lumantad.
He's nice. I mean,
Everybody nice.
yeah, I know. Not everyone is
Ano ba
nice.
itsura
Some
nun?
are hypocrites. They're black.
Ay, may Facebook sa dito. Helmet, di ba? Matatag to.
Spell hypocrite.
Spell hypocrite?
Pwede sulat ko.
No, Ninang Gel. It's like this kasi. Ninang Gel. It's like this kasi some guys, they're really nice when they're courting you.
Yeah.
But when you're married na or when you go study on or when
What?
Yata Berg eh.
no, it's really honestly.
Dudurog yata Berg eh, no Berg?
Baka nga may formalin nga inainom na ito.
As good or as nice as
Tama.
when they were still
Formalin
courting.
yata yun sa'yo.
But he's really different kasi I saw
Ikaw lang lasing, ah.
girlfriend before that.
Sa amin, puro
I saw
5%
him how
lang
he
ah. Sa'yo,
treats his
formalin.
girlfriend, pero guys, he's been going steady for 3 years and he hasn't really changed. He's really a good guy. He has a good family.
Ganun talaga yun.
Tsaka I want someone
Nanliligaw pa lang.
No! I want someone na I wouldn't be ashamed of, I would be proud of once I introduce him to daddy. Kasi I know daddy. He doesn't want, someone na yun. Basta, I want,
Ay, pa, mahigpit. Tinunasabik tuloy.
and he's a good guy. He has a good family. So I know na he's someone worth it deserving to introduce to my dad. Oh, really shocked! I really want to.
Don't focus on him.